In this video, you will learn how to make money off Printify. First, sign up for a Printify account, then set up an online store. You can choose an e-commerce platform such as Shopify, Etsy or WooCommerce. Then, set up your store, customize it and add your store name and even your logo. Then, pick products. This product could be a t-shirt, mugs, hoodies, etc. from the Printify catalogue. After that, upload your design and create a unique product that people will want to buy. Next, set the product pricing. Set the price for each product that higher than the cost on Printify's charge. This is your profit margin. For example, if Printify charges £10 for a shirt, you can sell it for £20. You make a £10 profit. Promote your store. Share your store on social media, run ads and create content to attract new customers to your store. You can use platforms such as TikTok, Instagram and Facebook to showcase your product. Make sales. When someone buys a product, Printify will fulfill and ship it for you. The profit is the difference between what the customer pays and what the Printify production costs are. Grow your business. Add more products, explore different designs, and keep promoting your store to your customer base and increase sales. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.